have been so excited and just been waiting to open it till I was filming. So this package is actually from a company called AutoBrush, and they're actually sponsoring today's video. Thank you so much, AutoBrush, for working with us again and continuing to work with us. We actually haven't worked with them before, specifically with Abby. Abby has actually been using the product for close to a year, and it has completely changed her life. It has made such a difference in her independence and just really helped with her oral hygiene. It was something that we really struggled with earlier on until we implemented this product, and ever since we implemented the AutoBrush for kids, it has not been an issue at all, which has been totally amazing. I actually uploaded a video a couple weeks ago of Abby's morning routine, and you can see her use the AutoBrush and how she's able to use it so independently in that video. So if you missed that video, definitely go check it out. But today, the package that we're opening is actually products for the entire family, which is so exciting. Okay, so here's all the products that we got. So first off, here is Liam's AutoBrush for kids. And he got the hippo. Abby currently has the zebra and absolutely loves it. And then it also comes with a brush head and toothpaste. And I'm gonna go ahead and surprise him and let him unbox this in a few minutes. And I'm so excited that Liam is finally gonna have his own AutoBrush. We have let him use Abby's a few times because it's just so much fun. So we already know how much he's going to love this and having his very own. So right before I go grab him and let him unbox everything and try it out for the first time, I wanted to tell you a little bit more about AutoBrush, and more specifically about AutoBrush for kids. So AutoBrush is the latest innovation in dental technology. They use high vibrational frequencies to effectively break up plaque and remove bacteria. The AutoBrush for kids actually has a feature that lights up to let your kids know how long they need to be brushing their teeth, and it also plays music to just make it even more fun. And then of course, it has the cutest little character. Like I said, Liam has the hippo now, and Abby has the zebra, and then there's a few other characters. I know there is a lion. He looks kind of like this. And I believe that there's one more character as well. I'll put it on the screen. Obviously, we already know we absolutely love the AutoBrush for kids products, but we will also be trying out the adult products. Matthew and I will both be trying the V3 professional whitening system. Those are the products that I showed you. Like I already mentioned, Abby's already been using the AutoBrush for kids products for almost a year now, but we still had Liam using like a traditional electric toothbrush because he does okay with it. But with his automatic toothbrush, I actually brush his teeth for him and then hand it to him and let him kind of like finish up, because he just needs help to make sure he reaches all parts of his mouth and make sure he gets like a really good clean. He's gonna be able to brush his teeth completely independently without me having to do it for him. I'll just obviously supervise and check up on him. And honestly, it's just gonna bring so much more fun into his morning and nighttime routine of brushing his teeth. I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in the package so that he gets to like open up the package a little bit. He's gonna be so excited. A surprise?
What is it?
I don't know. What do you think it could be? What is it?
New toothbrush for me.
You're gonna have a toothbrush just like Sissy?
That headphone and this cycle and this cycle toothbrush.
I think it's a lion and that one's a monkey.
Let's open them up.
Okay.
Thank you. Hippo one. For hippo. Wow.
That's so cool. All right, this goes on here. And that's your new toothbrush. And here's your charger.
Wow, this is cool.
It's really cool. Do you like it?
Yes. Silly
Silly hippo. So with the AutoBrush for kids, it is actually 30 seconds to clean. You can get clean teeth lightning fast by giving all of your teeth attention at once. And then this is the toothpaste that we got. So this one is actually the bubblegum flavor. All right, are you ready to go plug it in?
Yes.
Yeah? All right, let's go.